With AI advancing every day, many people wonder, can ChatGPT really design a website? Sure, it can generate some code and ideas, but is it the best tool for generating full websites? So in this video, we are going to take a look at what ChatGPT can do, but more importantly, we will show you the best tools that can take web design to the whole new level, allowing you to create professional websites with ease. So if all that sounds interesting, then let's dive in. Now, ChatGPT can help with web design tasks like planning your site structure and generating basic code for things like navigation menu and forms. It's useful for simple scripts and fixing broken codes, but it's far from being a complete web design tool. ChatGPT is great for quick fixes, but you need to know exactly how to ask and what to ask for. Now, when it comes to design suggestions, ChatGPT can provide ideas, but only in words. There is no visual preview, so you are left imagining the design in your head. And that's where things get tricky. Now, while ChatGPT can assist with coding and copywriting, there are some key limitations. You need to spend a lot of time perfecting your prompts, trying to describe every little detail, which can be frustrating. Plus, without a live preview, you are constantly tweaking codes and testing the result on some other platform. Then there's the issue of mobile responsiveness as well. ChatGPT might help you generate responsive layout code, but you can't see how they are actually going to look on different devices. And don't forget, if you need to update your site later, you better have saved your prompts. Now let's move beyond ChatGPT and focus on what truly makes web design faster and easier. Let me introduce you to Divi AI. Divi AI does what ChatGPT can't. It allows you to design visually with real-time previews. You are not just imagining how things are going to look, you see the results as you build. With Divi Quick Sites, you can go from a blank canvas to a fully functional website in just a few clicks. Just describe your business needs and Divi AI will build the entire website, complete with menus, headers, e-commerce sections, and lot more. You will get a professional design without any guesswork. Along with that, Divi AI gives you full control over your brand. From generating custom content and images to tweaking layouts, everything stays perfectly aligned in your style. It's AI powered, but you remain in charge. So how does Divi AI stack up against ChatGPT? While ChatGPT requires back and forth text prompts, Divi AI offers instant results with real templates, not just code snippets. You can see exactly what you're building and make changes live. So no more guessing about how your website is going to look. And when it comes to speed, Divi AI wins every time. You can generate fully functional websites in just a few minutes, saving you hours of work you would spend tweaking and fixing code with ChatGPT. Now let's see how easy it is to get started with Divi AI. Once the WordPress website is ready, you just need to click on Divi dashboard from your backend, and here we have an option for quick sites. From there, Divi AI takes over. Generate a complete website based on your input in just a few minutes. And there is no need to endless tweaking or writing complex prompts. Divi AI builds your website and you are ready to go live with a polished professional design. And remember, you have full control to adjust anything along the way. In the end, ChatGPT may help you with bits and pieces, but if you want to build real functional websites that look amazing and works across all devices, Divi AI is your go-to solution. It combines the power of AI with visual design, giving you professional results faster than ever. So if you are ready to build your dream website, get Divi today and experience how easy and professional web design can be. In order to learn more about it, make sure you check out the link in the video description below. And if you like this video, then make sure you give it a like and share it with your friends and community. And for more WordPress and Divi updates, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. That's it for this one, and I'll catch you in the next video.